Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be checking out
the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, testing it out.
Yeah, buddy.
It's the new camera of the year. This one does pretty good 4K. But wait, hold this. Let's put the wide lens so we can capture everything when we're close up. Hold it. Yeah. So we're gonna test this one out, see how it is. Let's clean that lens real quick.
No cleaning the lens.
All right. Let's see how good this. All right. And that one, yeah, there you go. Put it on there.
It's like magnet.
Yes, it's magnetic. So now we're wide.
So when we want to take it off, we just grab it and we do this.
Yeah, and then you put it back on.
Yeah.
Very easy.
So when we stop the video, boop.
Yeah, there.
Right?
Yeah, it's true. So let's
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Let's see.
Come on, starting with a quick start.
And we have the internal microphones, right?
Yeah, so we'll hear from all the sides.
Yeah, and we're actually running, jumping and everything, so we'll see if it's stable enough, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll do some low video.
Gravity.
Low gravity.
Ooh.
Yeah.
See who wins, people.
I'm a win.
Wait, you got a pit stop.
Got a pit stop?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, Ramon takes the lead.
Uh-oh, somebody's taking the lead. Oh, right. Uh-oh, I just lost you. We lost the flask here. All right.
Wait.
You
Oh,
ready?
if you guys didn't notice, Miss Bussy changed to. It's supposed to be necklace day, but Miss Bussy changed it to name day, and I want to know what I picked.
Let's check it out. Funny.
And I also got a green necklace.
All right. Pretty cool.
I hope we have blue paint. That way we can paint it.
Blue
It's not
paint?
gonna be shiny, so.
So why don't we paint it? See?
3, 2, 1.
So
Go!
if we paint it, we're gonna be going. I mean, it's actually triple. Go ahead, no cars
For
coming.
what?
Triple hit it here, and then it goes while we're running. It's also going. Let's check it out. How rolling. Yeah.
Ramon takes the lead.
He's taking the lead, but not for long because I'm coming around.
He's already has taken the lead.
Yeah.
Wait,
Whoa.
what should we say? Echo.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool.
Well, you just lost the lead, I think.
Yeah. And now we're back swinging around. Whoa. You got it?
Wait, let's take a little water break.
Water break, all right.
Let me see my water.
There's your water. I think I'm gonna take one too. So let's take a.
And if you didn't notice, I started playing Pokemon Go.
And now see that the good thing is we can put it there like this, and it's got its own little stand. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're all set. Yeah, hold on. All right. All right, so now we're ready to go. No cars coming.
Wait.
Nope. No cars are coming.
Okay, ready.
So now we're running and going faster than ever.
You think we should go on the streets?
You think so?
Yeah, let's do it.
After the corner.
Okay. After this way.
Yeah. So hopefully
3, 2, 1.
stable,
Go
right?
on the street.
go.
I'm way on the street.
All right, come in. Okay, get closer. This way. Okay, we're swinging it away. Yeah. Let's see how this comes out. Okay, get inside where comes the bus. Get inside where.
I won!
You won. Whoa.
Wasn't that crazy when I was on the street,
What's
but
that?
the bus didn't hit me?
Yeah.
Wasn't that crazy?
Woo. That's a pretty good. That was a good run.
Wasn't that cool? The bus driver was probably like, ah, and then woo. And
Yeah.
it was like, ooh.
Okay, let's go. Let's swing it right around. Okay, we got wide angle
The
here.
bus stopped.
Oh yeah. So,
I want some apples when we get inside.
okay, we'll get you some apples. So everybody, hopefully this helps you guys. Yeah. Hopefully it's really stable. We won't know yet until we.
Yeah, until we edit the video.
Yeah. Good. Yes. Good job. Good job. Yeah, we have to edit the video.
To do that.
Yeah, we're gonna use what do we use? Adobe Premiere or DaVinci?
Da Vinci, I think.
DaVinci. Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
They might come out with the Insta360 X5, you know?
oh yeah, that's a different one. That's the 360. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So it's a little bit
maybe they'll
different.
make a version of that, but in 4 version.
Oh, hey, that's true. That's
Yeah,
very good.
they may make that, and if they come out with the 4 version of that, we'll definitely get it because we are interested in every camera.
Yes,
So we'll get it if they make it.
yes, we will, and that way we can test it out for you guys and see.
Yeah,
And
and that way you
this-
know if you want it or not.
yeah, and this is again is hopefully it came out stable enough where we're running and making the video go low, high, and everything, right?
Yeah.
And also the sound. Again, I didn't use the mic. We used the internal microphones on the Osmo 3, right? Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, right?
Thumbs up, and leave us a like. Comment in below if you like the video,
Yes, we appreciate that.
and give us a smiley face, even maybe an emoji with 2 hearts as eyes.
Oh yeah, that'd be
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice of you guys. I just thought of that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So again, yeah, this is a great little camera.
So this is how you're gonna put your camera away.
Yeah, that's Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah. So again, like I said, it's very easy. Just turn it off here. You can do portrait video recording. If you don't tap on it, it'll see how it turns off right away, and then you just set it in your portable case here. And you can also take this one off from here. Oh, sorry. Push the button here, and you take it off, and then check it out, guys. Look how pocketable this is. You just stick it in your pocket. And there it is. So far, pocketable and everything, right?
Yeah.
It's easy to travel with.
And also if we haven't said Happy Mother's Day, it might be too late, but I'm just gonna say right now, Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. If it's a little late, Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, right?
Yeah.
All right.
If any mothers are watching this, Happy Mother's Day.
Yes. All right. Peace. Thanks for watching again.
Thanks.
We'll
Bye.
see. Bye.
We'll come back with the 4 version of that if we can.
Yes.